Hey people, Lee Pyro here with my final stash of 2019. People have been requesting that I get all my fireworks in one video. So here goes. What you guys want, you guys get. Also, I want to shout out my 15 subscribers. Appreciate every single one of you who've taken your time out to watch my videos, like and comment. Also, if we can get me up to 25, I will let off a special firework and my appreciation to each and every single one of you. Obviously, I'm not going to name every single firework again because I've done that in previous videos and the NEC content. So if you want to know that, you can just look on my page and look at my part 1, 2, 3, 4. Also, I just want to shout out Glenn down at Let's Party Fireworks, Firework South Wales, Charlton Fireworks in Manchester, Firework Factory Slough, for providing me with top class pyro. Yeah, so guys, I hope you liked the video. Also, please can you like, comment, subscribe. Cheers.